In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll walk through a simple flow. Finding the official Binance site through Google, opening your spot wallet, locating your Bitcoin balance, and using the Convert tool to set up a move from BTC to USDT. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Binance into the search bar. In the results, look for the official domain, Binance.com. It's a good habit to check for the lock icon in the address bar and confirm the exact spelling of the URL. This helps you avoid lookalike sites. Click through to the official homepage. Once you're on Binance and signed into your account, look toward the top of the page for the wallet icon. It typically sits in the main navigation bar. Clicking this icon opens your wallet menu, where you can see different sections of your account balances and tools. From that wallet menu, choose Spot. The Spot wallet is the place where your tradable assets live, separate from funding or futures. Here you'll see a list of coins and tokens in your account, along with their available balances. If you have a long list, use the search field to quickly find what you need. Locate BTC in the list and click on it. This opens the detailed view for your Bitcoin within the wallet. You should now see options related to what you can do with BTC, such as deposit, withdraw, and tools that help you move value between assets inside Binance. Select Convert. The Convert feature is designed for a quick, simplified swap without dealing with charts or order books. It shows you a clean interface to move from one asset to another at a quoted rate. This can be more straightforward than placing a spot trade, though the rate you receive may include a small spread. In the Convert panel, choose USDT as the asset you want to receive. USDT is a widely used stablecoin that's designed to track the value of the US dollar, which makes it convenient when you want to reduce price swings. Make sure the From field shows BTC and the To field shows USDT. You'll see a live quote that refreshes periodically, along with any minimum amounts. Take a moment to review the pair and the rate before proceeding. If the market is moving quickly, waiting a few seconds can change the quote, so confirm when you're comfortable. That's the full flow. Search for Binance on Google, open the wallet icon, go to Spot, click BTC, choose Convert, and select USDT. Thanks for watching, and practice these steps slowly until they feel second nature.